In this video, I will show you how you can replace an asset in your project. For example, when your asset has been updated in your PLM system and only a couple of parts have been updated, but you do not want to lose any work that you did in your AR project created in WorkLink Create. Let's first have a look at the two different models I have. So I have a PLM V1 and a PLM V2. I opened these in a new scene so I can compare them side by side. So on the one hand, I have my V1 version, which has a front cone that contains 6 bolts, gray blades, and I have a second version with a longer cone that doesn't contain bolts and yellow blades. So this is a way we can easily compare those. The rest of the model is completely identical. So imagine I have my project here with several steps. If I simulate these, you can see, so I'm highlighting here the entire rotating parts. And in the second step, I'm showing how they rotate. So to replace my asset with a newer updated one, I can go to my assets in use, 3D models. In this case, you can see turbofan PLM V1. I can right click this, replace project asset. This will open a new modal where I can select my new asset. So in this case, turbofan V2. And when I have a look at this comparison, I can alt click the step hierarchy tree on both sides. And then you can see a comparison between the both trees. So you can see, for example, the fan, it will get deleted from the old one and new parts have been added. Most of the parts have been remapped. So this will also mean that animations applied to these nodes will continue to exist. If I scroll down, you can see these are the bolts that were removed from my model and the new cone that has been added. So when I confirm this, you can see that my model has been correctly updated throughout my different steps. So I have the new fan with the correct colors and the long cone. The bolts have been removed. And when I simulate these steps, you can see still my highlights work correctly. And also my rotation animation still works like it did before.